This is a special report coming from TITA and KUYA on Hurricane Ian. Check out this footage from my brother's house in Orlando. The flooding is catastrophic. Stay safe, everyone. I didn't even do. Oh my god!
Yo, you want the rips? Oh.
Hello, KAPWA People! Good morning! It's a Thursday morning around 9 o'clock a.m. Guess what? Another lucky day for Jacksonville area. Hey, the storm just passes us by last night, and this is it. This is what happened. Right now, it's currently 30 miles per hour wind. Okay, you can get some footage. You're lucky. Thank God. The wind. That one, take that. Woo! No, it's just me. Okay, there will be another update, maybe later tonight. See ya! Oh, Kuya is calling me.
Hi, TITA and KUYA. How
Hey,
are you?
Kuya, I am good. We are good and we are safe here in Jacksonville,
I'm
Florida.
in Atlanta too, but I just got news my brother's house is underwater. I don't know if you heard it, the storm just hit Orlando. What's it looking like there in Jacksonville?
It looks pretty okay. It's not bad. It's not the one I'm expecting. So,
Can you show everybody what it's looking like right now?
okay, sure, hold on. Let me do it like this, right?
Okay. Yeah. So it seems like Jacksonville is going to be pretty safe and it's getting a little bit more of the back end. So in a little bit, it should be okay. Okay, we're good.
We are good. Hello, KAPWA people. Currently, I am driving around, see what's out there, if there are any debris. It's a stop sign right now, so I'm currently stopped. And it's windy and it's rainy. And I was planning to go to the beach, but it's closed and I'm kind of scared to go over the bridge. Okay? There are no cars, actually, barely. You can count the cars. It's just like us driving. Oh no! The car is shaking! We need to go home! The car is shaking! Ooh! You see that? You see that? You see that girl? It's shaking right now. I am going home. Just to get some footage for you guys. Just getting some footage for you guys. And it is windy and my truck is moving.
Y'all for more updates from Hurricane Ian from TITA and KUYA.